Hello kids, good morning. Today we are going to do activity related to your red day. So look here. What is this? This is a ladybug and we are going to make this for red day. So let's start. Kids, for this activity you need one red chart paper. Take chart paper only because with this chart paper the activity will be done nicely and stiffness will come. And one black chart you have to take, pencil, scissor, watercolor, Fevicol, googly eyes, and you have to take these round shape objects of three different size. Okay, take small size of round shape first and place it on the chart paper. You have to trace like this. So after tracing that part, take another object of little big size and keep it on the same black paper little away from side. Okay, and now trace it this part for body. The first one we have taken for face and the next one for the body. So kids, now the third part, take red chart. You have to draw three circles of the biggest circle. Okay, remember kids, here we are using three different size of circles and the last circle we are going to make on red color chart paper. Place this object like this and draw the circle as we did before, but here you have to make three circles, one like this, and place it again on the paper. Draw it, repeat the same for third circle also. Now parents, please help your kids while cutting. Don't give scissors to your kids. This way you have to prepare your circles first. Kids, take your black chart. Now we are going to draw antenna like this. Draw small circle. This is a freehand circle only. And now draw parallel lines like this. Okay, you can use scale also if you want. Now cut this. Parents, please help. Take two circles, one small and big. Now apply Fevicol here in the edge part. Little bit of Fevicol. Don't take it too much, otherwise your activity will be spoiled. And now stick it like this. Now take these three red color circles. Just fold it little bit from the between. Okay, all the three circles you have to take and prepare it like this. Now we will stick here. Just apply little bit of Fevicol and then stick like this. Same way on another side we will stick it first, but keep it like this. Kids, stick this properly both the sides. Now take the third wing and we will apply Fevicol first over here also little bit and on the wings also like this. Kids, after applying Fevicol, stick this properly and let it dry properly. Take this antenna and you have to stick here from back side. Apply little bit of Fevicol here and stick from back side. Okay, like this. Take googly eyes. If you don't have this eyes, you can prepare it with paper also, but this will look good, so I am using this. Apply Fevicol from back side and place it properly. And cut this paper from your red chart. Use small object to cut it and cut semicircle. Okay, and apply Fevicol and place it as a mouth of ladybug. Now we will use watercolor to print circles on the body part. take this watercolor, dip your pointer finger and you have to print like this. Understood? You can print 3 circles, 3 dots, whatever you can say, like this. It will look good. Don't put too much of color in your hand, otherwise it will look clumsy. Look here kids, this way after your activity is completed now, it will look like this. Okay, so on that day you have to wear red dress and hold this object activity in your hand, and you can also keep some red objects with you, and you have to click one good picture with your red dress and activity in your hand, and you have to send this picture in your group also. Wish you all a happy red day once again.